it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these cute little stuffed pumpkins. They're a quick and easy way to decorate your home for fall, and they fit nicely in baskets, bowls, and tiered trays. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the pumpkin, fabric for the leaf, polyester fiberfill, pinking shears, and of course the printable templates. First, place one piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the other piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the pumpkin template in the middle of the stack and pin it in place. Stitch the pumpkin together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a section open on the bottom for stuffing. Remove the template and use pinking shears or scissors to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Use extra caution when cutting in the points. Use the opening to stuff the pumpkin with fiberfill, filling it as full as desired. Then move the stuffing away from the opening and stitch the opening closed. And readjust the stuffing and retrim the opening for a neater look. Place the leaf template in the middle of the leaf fabric and pin it in place. Use pinking shears or scissors to cut out the leaf. Center the leaf under the pumpkin near the bottom of the stem. Fold the leaf over the top and tie it. If desired, use some glue to hold the leaf in place. And just like that, just that fast, you've already started on your fall decor. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.